This room 6/15. 50, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna walk inside first. 166 square meters, 17th floor, 55,000, no negotiation. Not accept Westerner with Thai wife. Only Westerners accepted. Only Westerners and no Indian, no Chinese, but looks new. This room fabulous, nah? Wow, I love this. This is a gem. Wow. Oh my god, I love this. But some of you may think it's outdated style. Yeah, some of my clients want to see the bathtub, the toilet. Okay, yeah, maybe I open this one. This is a cupboard. No, wardrobe, not a cupboard. It's the like, this is the corner room, and how about like this view? This. Oh, we got the view. My god. How about this one? Oh, view of Terminal 21. This room, very new and vibrant. Oh wow. Private sky garden. Oh wow. Oh, automatic light. What about this one? I don't know this one. Let's see inside the toilet. Counter bar. Looking everywhere. This is the washing machine. Oh, no dryer, only washer. This is the third bedroom. Small one, 3.5 feet bed. And is there any? We take a bath here. What's the toilet? Only toilet.